Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your DELL G7. First, power down your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. As you lift the panel, you may notice some dust accumulation inside. It's a good idea to clean this out using compressed air or a soft brush to ensure optimal performance. Now locate the battery. It is typically situated near the center of the laptop. You will see a few screws holding the battery in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. With the screws removed, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a bit of wiggling, so be patient and avoid using excessive force. Once disconnected, you can lift the old battery out of its compartment. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to compare it with the old one to ensure compatibility. Insert the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it clicks into place securely. Now it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it snaps back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the panel firmly. Before powering on your laptop, it's advisable to perform a quick check. Ensure that all screws are tightened and that there are no loose components inside. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Now flip your laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Press the power button and watch as your DELL G7 comes to life with its new battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you with any technical difficulties you may face. In summary, replacing the battery in your DELL G7 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can complete this task efficiently. Remember, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide a convenient service with no calls, no travel, ensuring your laptop is in good hands. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.